here in Lancaster at the Pennsylvania Motor Truck Association annual golf tournament. We've been killing ourselves the last few weeks trying to finish up this 55 Chevy Legacy project for Service Tire and Truck Center. We're getting ready to unveil it to Walt, the new owner. Can't wait to see his reaction.
So we worked some sleepless nights, some super long days, put in endless amounts of work trying to get this thing done in time to bring it up here to unveil for everybody at Service Tire and Truck Center. So we're gonna unload it, we're gonna drive it around the golf course, then we're gonna get it in position, and man, I can't wait to see the reaction on these people's faces.
So I've been a customer of Service Tire Truck Center for the last 20 years. Service Tire Truck Center has always made me feel like family. And so when we had the opportunity to build a truck for Walt, the owner, we were just honored to have that opportunity. When we heard about the history of Service Tire and Truck Center and the family heritage, the legacy that Walt's family has with the company, he showed us an old black and white photograph back in 1955 when his dad opened up the very first location. And in that photograph in the background was a 1955 Chevy truck. We saw that truck and we thought, hey, what better way to represent that family heritage, that legacy, than to build a 55 Chevy truck worthy of the Service Tire and Truck Center name. So we'd like to show it to you now.
Wow, 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 Kenny.
Take me on down the river where the kids can't find a red-handed sinner. On where the great can cry out. 'Cause I done wrong down the river with a hand on a Colt and a finger on the trigger. And long before dawn they try to find me. So take me on down.
Truck looks fantastic. For a 55 Chevy truck, it really looks immaculate. Really nice, very tastefully the way it's done.
I mean, I've been with Service Tire for 14 years now, and I've always been really proud of the company that I worked for, and it's nice to see them do something that represents the history of the company, and I think it's beautiful. It's awesome.
Whoever came up with that concept of using the resin and the real wood in the bed, I mean, that looks amazing.
It's amazing. I love what they did with the bed of the truck. I think that is the coolest thing. I was surprised. I didn't realize it would lift. So when they got it running and did that, that was pretty cool.
I've been working for Service Tire Truck Centers for the last 25 years, and I just can't tell you how proud I am of Walt and the company and this 55 pickup, what it means to the company and to his father. I'm sure his father's looking down saying, great job, Walt.
So today we gave Walt his truck, and I was really happy to see the expression on his face. You could tell that it means a lot to him and his family legacy. So for me and the entire team at Hauk, that means everything in the world to us. Thanks, Walt. Thanks for giving us the opportunity.
No, thank you for building
It's awesome.
exceeded expectations. It's
Awesome.
Wish my late father could be here to see this. A little nicer than the truck that he started this business with. I just want to drive it now. I want to drive it.